Oh, hi everyone! Teacher Alex here, preparing for the Magic Porridge Pot workshop, which is happening between the 15th and 18th of December. This workshop is part of the winter workshops that is happening in Kids Gallery. This immersive and storytelling workshop will help your child grow as a more confident and creative storyteller and communicator. But whoa, hold on there. It's not just that. We will go through a journey together between start and finish. We will meet some exciting new characters. We will overcome obstacles, difficult ones as that, and we will interact with some fun activities on the way. So, if you would like to join me on this exciting new adventure, please press the link below, and I hope to see you there. Bye everyone!